Hey everybody, Chris Buystedt here with BISH'S RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. And I am here to show you a really amazing van. Everybody wants one of these. It's a 2022 Winnebago Travato. Now this thing is one of the most popular B vans in the lot, and I think you're gonna see why very quickly as I show you this thing. It's beautiful. Let's come take a look. Now you're going to notice this is just a little thing, but I think it's kind of neat. Winnebago puts these leash holders on these steps around the van, so you have a place that you can put your dog right there, and you can leash them. They won't run off. Please make sure you unleash them before you drive off. I think I've seen a movie, wasn't it National Lampoon's Family Vacation or something, where they forgot to unchain the dog? You don't want to do that. So anyway, one of the things that people love about these is they are comfortable, beautiful, wonderful to travel in, front wheel drive, only 4 tires on the ground. They don't have dualies, and so you can rotate them normally, and you're only buying 4 tires when it comes time to purchase tires. However, front wheel drive is going to be fantastic, especially for the Northwest with our passes and snow and winter advisories. You'll be able to take this pretty much all year long, and that's really great. You're going to notice that you've got your gas right here. This is a place where you can fill. Down here you'll see this pipe. That's for your generator. There's actually a generator underneath this thing, so you can dry camp it. You can be in the middle of nowhere and you have full ability to dry camp. You can have your stove and all that works. When the generator's running, it's going to charge your batteries. There's solar on top as well, and everything will charge as you're driving down the road, and also when you're plugged into shore power. So you've got lots of ways to keep this charged up and fueled up, and you can take it dry camping. You don't necessarily need to be plugged in at full RV spots. And this is only 22 feet, so you can park in a regular size parking space. People love that. You can go anywhere in these things. You got a nice walk-on ladder. It moves around because you're going to notice up on top there are racks and stuff. So you have storage up there. I'm going to show you back here. So you do have a 5,000-pound tow hitch, backup camera, everything that you would need for safety. I love how they put LED light strips all around the van in places that you're going to need it when it's dark. It's going to light this whole area up beautifully. Isn't it great to have an outdoor shower here and all of your connections all in one spot? They put it here, and this helps keep it insulated beautifully. And this is your bed. It sleeps 2 people. And what people like about it is that you can lift it up, clip it back into place, and then you have all this storage for cargo and other things that you want to take. Sometimes people want to take extra things like canoes and rafts and tents and maybe cooking stoves and gear like that, fishing poles, you name it. This gives you all the cargo space you need. And it's kind of neat when you just take the van on a day trip and you go to a garage sale and you want to pick something up. You've got a place where you can put things, which is great. Lots of extra storage inside here, all these little compartments. There's even a bar right here that hooks up here so you can have a shower curtain and privacy to take an outdoor shower if you want. That's pretty cool. And a little bit of extra storage right there. Oh, by the way, something I was going to tell you. Notice this can pull down. You have a whole screen porch area here. So if you want to open the doors and have that just communing with nature, bring the outdoor in kind of tent camping experience, you can definitely have that. Bike rack for your bikes, that's really important. There is a place where you can hook up a TV if you want to, do a little bit of tailgating, watch a great game if you want to see the Ducks or the Beavers win, or lose, you can do it underneath this big, beautiful power awning. This is the camp side of the van. This will extend the van 50%, the space, because you'll be out indoor, outdoor. Right out here is where your table, your grill, your lawn chairs, everything is. Right here, you got a pull up power strip. So you've got a place for 110s and USBs. Really like the fact that they give you a handle that you can hold onto when you climb in, like this. And now when you come on in, and I'll show you around, beautiful, big, beautiful display. Really awesome. Lots of, you know what, it seems like a small thing, but I love a rig that's got lots of drink holders, because I like to be able to bring my beverages on the road with me. This one here, you're going to see right down here, there's a locking place here that you can put anything that you want to keep safe, valuables. You can lock it. This table will also fit right here. These seats will turn around, and you have 2 seats here with restraints, so you can have a couple people come with you, which is really fantastic. You've got TV, little extra countertop, and what they do in the sink area is they give you a cover, and this extends your countertop, and you can use it to cut on. There is 2 LP stoves right here. Here's your solar panel, control panel. Speaking of controls, here they all are right here. You've got your Truma system, which will give you heat and heat your water all in one efficient system. That's pretty neat. And look at this, extra pantry space. And I like the fact that you can move this anywhere you want. So if you want to get that extra big box of Cheerios in there, you can make it work. What people love is that there is a nice size fridge and freezer, so you can be gone for quite a while. You don't have to go to the grocery store every single day. And so look at all that space there for the fridge. We do have a microwave right here. A fantastic fan. Now these things are great, and you know, we don't talk about these enough. And the reason I love these is it's whisper quiet. It uses very little battery power, and it'll get a cross breeze blowing through here like nobody's business. You know, open up a little window, and it'll get it really cool in here where you don't have to use AC, especially on those cooler evenings. But it also will defumigate. It'll take, if you burn something on the grill, it'll take that out quickly. It goes both ways that way. And here again is your bed. And there's plenty of space in here. Oh, by the way, let me show you this. This right here, this is what they call an anything keeper. So you can put your phone in here. You can put your keys in there, a book that you're reading, whatever. See, I got my headphones and a phone, and you can just stick those up and then pop them right up into space, and then you get a chance to you know, pull them out at night when you need them. You're also going to notice that these windows move all the way out, and they do have screens and shades. This bottom one will pull up. Day and night shades for privacy. Reading lamps. And again, more storage. Everywhere you look in one of these Travatos, they're going to give you as much storage as they possibly can so you can have a great trip. Now, this just folds into place like that, clicks into place. You've got all this extra space right here for storage. Anywhere that they can give it to you, boy, they do. 3 drawers right there. And this right here, people love this little bathroom. Check this out. Gorgeous. It's got everything you need. This is a wet bath, so you can brush your teeth, take a shower, do everything you need in one little space in total privacy. It's out of the way. This is an amazing van. Very popular, built by the famous Winnebago. I would love to help you get to camping this year. This might be the van for you. It also comes in lithium, so we have that option, and I can tell you more about that. But give me a call. I'd love a chance to earn your business, and I'd love to show you how you can go camping in one of these. My name is Chris Buystedt. Please call me at 541-636-7878, and don't forget to like and subscribe.